Now for the whipped backstitch. We're using 3 strands of floss, color number 9. We'll start with the backstitch. This is the same as the backstitch method we showed earlier. First, stitch 1 layer of backstitch. It's a variation based on the backstitch. Start with a backstitch. If you don't remember how to do the backstitch, you can watch again. For the backstitch, bring the needle forward. Then bring the needle back. And repeat this process continuously. Bring the needle through and bring it down. Remember to stitch along the lines. After completing the first layer of backstitch, bring the needle through at approximately the middle of a stitch. Bring the needle through. After bringing the needle through, pass it through the second stitch. Do not pass through the fabric, but pass through the floss above. Then connect each stitch together. Connect each stitch together. After wrapping, insert the needle back at the starting point. Then it's done. That completes it. Let's practice this stitch again. First, complete 1 layer of backstitch. Then bring the needle through at the middle of the first stitch. Wrap the floss around the second stitch below it. Then wrap the floss around each stitch below, in the same direction. Connect them together. Form a straight line. For the final stitch, insert the needle back at the starting point of the first stitch. Now it's complete.